Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. This is something we never expected to have take off like this. My name's Frank.
And I'm Carrie.
And we're gonna save the Mooreland House. Well, those who have watched us for 4 years, how did we do? Did we save the Mooreland House?
I think so.
If we didn't necessarily save it, we started the ball rolling.
We did. We got her to a point where somebody else could come in and finish her up. A knight in shining armor.
Yeah, I think that's fitting for the castle.
Yeah, I think so. She was such a joy to work on. We really did enjoy every minute.
And I know it was a surprise to everybody, but we really didn't. We were contacted by the buyer, and we gave him a price, and they said okay. And then we kept waiting, and then he kept talking about he was going to come look at it. He actually put the offer in before he looked at it, so we, even though he had watched all the videos, he said, we figured he'd come and take a look at it and go, yeah, nope.
Yeah, that's what we thought.
But he continued on even after he came and looked at it.
Mm-hmm.
So we didn't want to say anything prematurely because we didn't know for sure.
Right.
But we thought for sure he was going to.
And that's one of the reasons why we actually made the tower video.
Yeah, we
thought it might scare him off.
Yeah, a lot of the comments last week were, oh, well, I can tell that the tower scared you guys off. Well, actually, we made that tower video to show the buyer how bad the tower was in, because it's really bad shape. We, on the other hand, were going, oh, we can't wait to start, we can't wait to start, we can't wait to start. But then we'd already signed the contract, and we let our yes be yes and our no be no.
Right, and like we said last week, we prayed about it, and we just feel like this was what we were led to do.
Oh, yeah.
We are sad. We know that she's going to be in good hands.
I'm excited to see it finished in 2 years.
That would be wonderful, and that is his goal, to have it done in 2 years. We're excited about it, and yes, he did say I could come down and do updates like I said last week, and so make sure that you hit that notification bell and subscribe.
So, you don't say that.
I know, but if you, way you know when those update videos will come out. I don't know how often they will be, but that way you're notified when they come out, and I certainly want to continue to share the journey of Miss Mooreland with you.
And well, I can't see that he won't ever call and say, what did you guys do here? We need to figure this out. So,
right.
And we might video that too, so.
Yeah.
It is what it is. We'll leave you with a couple. Is there before and after pictures, or just after pictures?
These are just some of the bigger projects that we did on Miss Mooreland to structurally save her. And that is how we are going to end our journey with you.
Well, not end it. In this portion of it.
The weekly portion, I guess.
Yeah. Because if you end it, that sounds terrible.
That does.
But yeah, we have thoroughly enjoyed it.
Oh.
And enjoy the before and after pictures, and enjoy the updates.
Yeah.
I mean, we're going to enjoy the updates.
Miss Mooreland's family will love to see her being used and being loved just like they did.
Alrighty.
Thanks for watching.
comes and will be gathered home. I sought at once my Saviour's side, no more my steps shall roam. With him I'll brave death's chilling tide and reach my heavenly home. We'll work till Jesus comes. We'll work till Jesus comes. We'll work till Jesus comes and we'll be gathered home.
Are you by Ellie the elephant? You're such a funny girl. Mia, you're such a funny girl by Ellie. Yes, you are. Is it your turn by Ellie? Minnie, is it your turn to sit by Ellie? Oh, you're my sweet girl. Sweet girl.